Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set multiple stop losses and take profits in Binance. Obviously Binance only has that feature for futures. Obviously futures was removed from the UK. I'm in the UK. They removed the top market from our trading account, so we only have access to margin and spot trading. There is a way to set stop losses and take profits. In these markets, it takes a little bit of work. It's not as straightforward as futures. So firstly, we're going to go to, obviously you have to buy the coin before you say up, you buy the coin. I'm already inside this trade. So you go to sell, then you go to OCO. OCO basically is price stop. This is the price stop where you want to take the profit on. This is stop and limit order. This is basically where you want it to stop up to where. Basically this number should be higher than this one. This one should be lower. If you're gonna use the limit on stop here, we wanna use the limit on stop when it's going down. So basically this limit stop we can use as stop loss. If you're gonna put a stop loss here, we can say 1.1630. That's our limit. That's where we want it to stop. Then limit, we can say we're gonna just take one initial number down. We're gonna go one initial number down. So we can say 1.1620. So you can register. I don't know why they have to. It's kind of weird. I know, because I don't know why they did that. Honestly, they made it a little bit confusing. Then to take profit, this one is where do you want to exit the market while you're on profit, not stop loss in here. This take profit. This is the take profit. You can set it any way you want. You want to take profit when it reaches here. I already have a signal here, so we're just gonna copy these. We're gonna be doing 2 take profits, but this one only allows you 1. We're gonna do two of them. We're gonna do 2 take profits. So the first one we're gonna start with is the 1.480, because this one is the closest one. We can start with this one. So we're gonna say take profit around this area. Then we're gonna stop it. Yeah, so we're gonna stop it here. You can say stop here, 1.0759. Then we're gonna take one initial number off, so you can register. I don't know why they did it like that, but I'm gonna work with it. We're gonna say 50%. So we're gonna do 2 of these. We're gonna say 50 here, take profit there, and stop loss there. Then we're gonna sell. So we're gonna set it up. You know, it's set up. It's gonna stop here. It's gonna take profit here. We're gonna set another one up. We have more money in. We still have more money in. You can see how much available and how much is booked in. Open orders. We can see taking 50% of our available balance here. So it's gonna sell it around 1.4080. This is where you want it to be. Then we're gonna set another one. So we're gonna set our second take profit. Not this one. So our second one is this one. So we're gonna place it here. We're gonna keep the same stop loss. We're gonna keep the same. Say this one. We're gonna keep it the same. So we're gonna say 100%. Because we're only working with what we have available. As you can see here, that one is already booked in. So this one is already booked in. You don't have to play around with it. This one we want to do everything, because we only have 50% left. We're gonna say 100%. Then we're gonna say sell. See, now we have 2. We have take profit, 2 take profits, and 2 stop losses. They're in the same spot. That's why you can't see them. They're blending together. So they're gonna stop in the same place and they're gonna take profit in the same place. I'm pretty sure you can do this on spot as well. It's the same. It's the same process. It's the same process. Alright, guys. Hope you guys found this video helpful. And make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna be looking to upload more videos. If you want to join my Telegram channel, I have a Signals Telegram channel. It's called Peace Trades. We only have 13 subscribers now. You can join. We are making profits here. We made 7%, 5%. I mean, we are making money in here. If you want to join, you can join this Telegram channel. And I have another one. I have a VIP channel as well. If you want to join this one is paid. Obviously, it's brand new. I'm totally subscribed here. We are also making money here. It's all new. These channels are new. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy the rest of your day. Laters.